Hello, so today we are going to make a tutorial how to do your makeup as a emo. So let's follow this tutorial. So what you need is of course a brush, an eyeliner and one or two of these. These are mascara, one is blue and one is pink. And then you need the eyeshadow palette. So what I like to start first with is the eyes. So here we do have this pencil, which is an eyeliner. So let's draw one of these lines. So what you're going to start with is holding it like a pencil and then drawing it as a line as so. And how pointy you want to have it, or how not so pointy, but I want like it to have it pointy, so I will do it as the other side here, and then I want to do it under here, under my eyelid here. So if it's being this problem you have here, you can just you do it as this, so it will match the other eye. And it's no problem to make mistakes because you can only use it as your finished result. So now I like to put it away and then use some of this eyeshadow. So what I like first to do is taking some black eyeshadow and then just follow my eye. That eyelid I just draw on my eyelid and then follow it. And then do the same on the other eye. Just like to follow it. And then draw. And this tutorial is going to be easy, I hope, for you. Because I'm not fast forwarded or something like that. So, and then you do it on under the side of the eye. And under here too. And then you can start to using other colors, like I like my gold color here. I like it to have it under my eye for some reason. And then do it on under my other eye too. Like so. And then what I like to do is have this kind of purple one. I'm choosing a purple. You can prefer on your liking. I choose this because this is what I like. But this can be the base of a new look, a new cool emo style look, or gothic, or whatever you want to call it. But I like this that way. And you can see here, I have now succeeded. And to finish it off, I can just smear it out a little bit more. Like so. And when you see, when I'm, And that's what I like to go for. And now I think the eyeshadow is ready and the eyeliner is ready. So what I like to do is taking some mascara. I like this pink one. And I will just look on the brush meanwhile I am applying it. So like this. And then you can see I have applied it. I will do the same with my other eye. So just look on the brush. And then I like to change my angle on holding the brush. And if it's easier for you, you can just use a mirror. Like so. And now I have been applying this. So I don't like it to have I like to have it pink, and you can of course choose your own mascara for it, but I like to have it just like so. And then it comes to your lips. So how I like it to have it is I will choose my black lipstick first. I will go around the lines, and you may see I have piercings, but that will be okay because I will go around the line here, just like so. And then I will do the exact same. I will go on my outer lips to apply some black to get that gradient effect. And then I will take my other lipstick, which is in this nice color. Or I perhaps change my mind. I will take a bit more purple lipstick to have some nice effect. So what I will do is just do like this. And you can start to see the gradient, and exactly the same of the top, but I will not touch my piercing as little as possible. So now you can start to see the gradient. And I think this is a good tutorial. I hope you also think it's a good tutorial. If not, then I'm sorry. But this is what the best I could do. I will now put on my glasses and show you the finished result. This is going to be like this. But the emo style isn't all about the makeup, it's about the clothes you're wearing too, or the necklace or jewelry pieces you are wearing. So what I like to wear as my daily outfit as an emo is that I like to put on some rings. I have rings for each finger, or except the pinky fingers. But that's okay if you don't have any rings for the pinkies, because or if you don't have a ring at all, or just a single ring, that would be cool too. It's whatever you prefer. And I like to have some wristband too. So what I will do is put on this wristband too, and then I will put on this, because this is a cool necklace. Not a necklace, but a wristband. It's making more sense because it's spikes and emo people and other gothic style or punk used to like this kind of necklace, not necklace, but wrist straps. And then I like to have some nice colored bands with it. So what I will do is put on that. These are just some simple ones I have been making. It's nothing special to them. It's I would say this one is more special than the other ones because this one has spikes. So here's my styling on this arm, and what I will do is also paint my nails. So this is the finished result. You can of course stylish your hair like I did here, and put on some good nail polish if you want to. And but this is my makeup tutorial. I hope you liked it, and yeah, I see you in the next video.